Hello, our art friends. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Mega Minion Gus. So let's start drawing. First, draw a circle for the eye. Then a smaller circle inside. And color. Repeat the same step to make the other eye. Draw a letter C around the left eye. Then its mirror image around the right eye to make the goggles. Draw two half squares on top of each other on each side of the goggle. Draw two lines coming out from each side of the goggles. Make the lines at the top shorter than the ones at the bottom. Then connect each two lines together with a curved line. Draw a large upside down letter V, connecting the two straps of the goggles for the top of the head. Draw a line coming down from each strap of the goggles. Then connect them at the bottom with a horizontal line, leaving a small space in the middle. Draw a tiny line coming up from the right part of the horizontal line. Then draw another horizontal line towards the right. Then make a half circle and connect them together to finish the part of the mask around the mouth. Draw a small circle for the button, then a curved line for the mouth. Draw a large half circle coming down from the mask for the bottom part of the body. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw the straps of the overall, one on each side, coming down diagonally towards the center. Draw a small circle at the end of each for the button. Draw a horizontal line connecting the straps in the middle, then draw a curved line connecting each strap to the side of the body. Connect them together at the bottom to finish the overall. Draw two small lines coming down from the bottom of the body. Connect them together with a diagonal line. Then draw two lines coming down diagonally. Make the inner line longer. Draw a curved line at the outer part, then connect them together by drawing an oval shape at the bottom. Then draw a curved line on top of it. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg and shoe. For the arm, draw two lines coming out from the side of the body, then draw a horizontal line at the end for the bottom part of the glove. Draw two lines going up and draw the fist by drawing 3 fingers. Decorate the palm with a couple of lines. For the other arm, Draw two lines coming out from the right side of the body, with the line on top being longer and ending with a curve. Draw a diagonal line at the end of it. Draw a line connecting the top end to the side of the body and another one at the bottom connecting to the shoe. To make the cape, draw a letter V facing sideways on top of the right arm, then extend the line intersecting the arm and connect it to the right shoe with a wavy line. Decorate this side of the cape with a line near the edges. Do the other side similarly, just make it a mirror image. And the letter V at the top will be partially hidden behind the left arm. Write a letter M at the center of the overall, then another letter M under it, and connect them to make a block pet. Draw a circle around it, then draw the pocket around them. Connect the pair of shoes together in the middle with a wavy line to complete the cape. Now you can fly! And you can draw Mega Minion Gus. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light's reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe.